Across the West, a series of winter storms is striking millions of people with high winds, blizzards, and drenching rain. KMU8's Ava Gordon is here in the studio now to tell us how the storms are unfolding. Hey, Ava, good morning. So how are these conditions looking out west?
Yeah, good morning, Abigail. The conditions are getting worse, and as you can see behind me, people are seeing everything from blizzards, heavy rain, and even dust storms. In Colorado, a 30-vehicle pileup crash, including both cars and semi-trucks, left 4 dead and 29 hospitalized. It left both directions of the highway there closed for hours. Authorities say there was little visibility due to wind-blown dust as wind gusts up to 61 miles per hour caused brownout conditions.
This was one of those storms that came through and the wind picked up very quickly, and that location down there, unfortunately due to the lack of moisture and stuff that we've had in the area recently, the dirt and everything just transversed all the way across I-25 and created just what I'll call as a dirt or a brownout.
Meanwhile, further west, California is experiencing a harsh blizzard, also with low visibility. An avalanche yesterday morning in Sierra took out a group of skiers that are still trying to be rescued. Nevada authorities say 6 people have survived while 10 are still missing.
To be slow going. We have brought in snowcats, we have snowmobilers on standby, we have individuals on skis, so we have several different ways that people are attempting to get in there. It's just going to be a slow, tedious process because they also have to be very careful accessing the area due to the fact that the avalanche danger is still very high.
The blizzard has also closed nearly 150 miles of freeway, leaving drivers nowhere to go. One driver says the roads have been slippery, causing scary conditions.
Pretty gnarly coming down. There was a lot of spin outs and the truck was definitely sliding around a bit. It was this storm was kind of scary on the bridges.
Closer to Los Angeles, rain is dousing the city, causing trees to collapse and mudslides. The storms are being blamed for over 4,000 flight delays nationwide. In the studio, Ava Gordon, KMU8 News.